Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that anytime, any day I will go live, you will be the first to see. Yes, I don't come again. Today, wetin I take come na this lady wey una dey see for here. I don still do this video like 8 months ago, abi 6 months ago, where this Kenyan lady sleep with almost 7 boys, 7 men. Una remember the video where this lady sleep with 7 men. Now the repercussion come out o. The repercussion wey come out be say this lady get HIV. Hey boy. He don't confess say he get HIV, say he just purposely wanted to give them the HIV. He just want to dash them. So now this woman can't go test, so he can't do the test, he can't come out, he can't come social media they beg, say make them forgive him, or say he don't give many men the HIV, or make them forgive him. Oh boy, not be smart, you know. You see what men they pass through, you see how men they enter problem. Not be small. This thing tire me. As I hear on my paper, I say no. I know say not be all of una don't hear and some of una don't hear and not be all of una. Some women they heartless, so they wicked though. Then see and say they get that kind thing. They say no, not be only me go get them. I will give them to many people. So now waiting happen now for this woman own. Please, may una stay tomorrow and watch this video so that una go remember this video. Thanks guys.
I come with my own car and I come with you.
Please, more, please.
I just particularly for anywhere.
No, I'm much at the Arakaban. What do you mean, you guys? What do you love, Kuzo?
Gotcha.
That is enough. Oh.
So where can you converse?
Hey bro, what's up, man? Sasa what when you are doing now? Sasa why you making us? When you are doing now, sasa tufanye namna gani? Hey, that is enough, my friend. It is enough. So my people. Now the girl be this one they see for this place where they talk. So now the girl be this one, and they have a video where they kiss with those men where go sleep with more than 7 men. Now the video be that. So all this picture now one they see here now the girl na him be this one, and the woman na him be this one. So if you don't know this woman, you know say that her name they very hard to pronounce. All those Kenyan name, you know they hard. So now the woman be this one. Una know say this woman in a Kenyan girl when the be say they do all those like all these easy egbe them. This is egbe where they naked for social media. All these people, you know say this girl they behave like them. If they come out for Instagram, he go naked, he go show their pekus, he go show everything for social media. They do all sorts of things. So nobody really knows say this woman really get this kind of sickness for body. It really get this kind of sickness for body. Everybody don't know. You know say where we don't they see them for social media, so they naked. All of us go want to say, this girl fine. Oh, I like this girl. I would try to meet this girl. Ma tell no truth. Mostly all of them now this sickness then get. If you go check James Brown for Nigeria, that boy where don't turn to woman now, you know say that guy get him. If you go check that Zimbabwe woman when he be say they do like man, that Zimbabwe man where they do like woman, you know say he get him. Mostly many women when he be say their life they don't get this sickness, then believe say no as in life don't end for them. So they not gonna know what they want use their life they do. They go believe say only way there they go take enjoy themselves now to the naked for social media. They show their pekus, they do many things. They believe say their life don't taban. Now waiting that they do so. So my brothers and sisters, when he be say not be brother. Now brother I want to talk about now. Many brother, not be girls I want to talk about, because girls no now then get down and then they share and give to men. So many boys, women now when it be say they don't get this kind of thing. If you see them, you know they had them more. Now then be those women when it be say you as a boy now you say women go just come near you, go they tell you say baby can't do me this, can't do it this, I just like you. I want most of them they get this kind of bad thing for their body. They just want to use this thing where they get to take do you as a woman. Please, my brothers and sisters, you people should start be careful for this kind of behavior, because nobody know. All these women now waiting that they do now really bad thing. Then go carry, they meet everybody, especially now Oyibo they go they meet. So now from Oyibo all this kind of thing that they happen for them now through Oyibo. Now all these things that they happen to them. If now we will be black, we really not say the thing they too much for our land where we come from, but the one where they our land where we come from, where they for South Africa, now then still given to them there. So most of them they not believe say this kind of thing na problem for them, because they get the medicine, they get everything they will, where they will be taking that will make them to cool down for them, that will last until they die, until everything will be okay for them. They will not be panicking. But we where will be Africa now, this kind of thing, you know, say we really, as in this thing now, thing where they be say where we this small, we really they fear them. We really they fear this kind of thing, because nobody go use their own eye, open eye, go see who get this kind of thing. You go come follow them. So this thing now when they talk now, so now they use and they go, they tell people, especially boys, when it be say you get wife, men when it be say you get wife, not be everybody where go church now you go heaven. Why it be say I talk and say not be everybody where go church now you go heaven. Some people now go fit still get this HIV now, they go last, nothing go worry them. But some people go get time, it don't go last for them before you know they don't buy. So why are they talking and be say, you now when it be say you they talk say nothing they happen, nothing they do, you don't really know what you go fit do you. That is why it be say you need to avoid women. You know say this all these boys now what they show for here now. All these boys now, you know, say all of them collect the thing now, and no one use rubber they do them. Nobody use rubber they do them. Like this guy now, where they where they call him when he be say a bab this in low cut now. This guy where sit down where hold phone for hand. Now this guy when he be say this guy he don't wanted to do am more, but the guy force him, try to do him, he force him. So my people, if you really need the video. Have sex video where they do as that video when they do the thing, just emboss me. I will send you the video. The thing really they annoyed. They really they annoyed, because the kind of women where we get for this Africa, some of them they are so wicked. Waiting it be say many men no go fit do unto them, but they do unto their own men. It's not nice. How can you be a HIV positive and you try to give it to your brothers and sisters? You see all these girls where they, many of these girls where they for Europe, where they naked, they dance for social media. All of them, exactly all of them get the same sickness. All of them get harm. You see the same time when it be say that girl where they call Izegbe, you see where that girl carry that Gambia guy, you know, Puroba. You see where him Toto, everything they pump water they come out. At the same thing where this girl own they pump water they come out. When people where get the sickness on our water now they pump come out for their peku, so me I don't know, because you will not go watch them. If as like I say, as if you need the video, just emboss me, I will send you the video. I will send you the video. Now so the girl pekus they pump water they come like Izegbe own. That Gambia guy now maybe go don't carry the sickness again. You understand me? Go don't carry him. And that one fit get wife now. He go give him Gambia wife for us too. Like this woman now. You see all these men now where they see here, all of them get wife. All of them get wife. All of them now is HIV positive. How can we reduce this sickness? How can we reduce it? When it be say, people will get them, that they try to give them to people who not get them. Like this men now, when it be say they don't they use IC now. These men now they don't go give unto their wife. They don't still carry different women when it be say they not be HIV positive. They don't still carry many of those women again. That is why you go know say these people are really bad. You understand me? How can this sickness finish in Africa where we be the one sharing it? If you go to white people now, white people will tell you, if you don't have it, don't go and meet person that, if you have it, don't go and meet person that didn't have it. But Africa, no. They have it, they want to give it to their fellow brothers and sisters when not get them. They will go give them. Tell me how this thing go take reduce. Now only black people were not they intelligent. Now they not get head of technology. Now they not get head of peace talk for their head. Now they not get head to think well, to know what is good for their citizens, to know what is good for their people. Nothing there for their head. They want just to finish themselves. Too much self-hate. Now ain't there for them. No one they think. Their head just big. Our head just big. Nothing there inside. Now only African man now you will see for this Europe. Woman go they open mouth. Tell and say he get sickness. So he go say no problem. God go heal him. God go do. Yeah, are you killing me? Somebody they open mouth. They tell you say he get sickness. When you know they finish. When they sleep for person body. He go wake up. He go build upstairs. You say no. Nothing they happen. Say God day. God day. So many African men and so that they think like women go, they go see woman where get down, they don't go run for their life, they go still there, they say God go help. No worry, more now continue. Now be that Zimbabwe man, you know how many Zimbabwe man now, that Zimbabwe man, you know how many people where he don't give am, you know how many people where that Zimbabwe man don't give am, he don't give am to Suleiman, he don't give am to Kevin, he don't still give am to that Igbo man where last go. Not be other people where he don't still give am, where we not see. So my people more now they be careful. Say waiting the sweet where they kill again. So now waiting I say I can't tell on her too. And the one Zimbabwe woman coming to tell me say many all these their people Zimbabwe, Zambia, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania. Una know say that they give them visa well because now that side this thing they high well. Why then they give them visa make them feel come here country to themselves. So most of una when it be say una eye they always chook for women. If una see how una eye go they chook. Many of them get am. If you go wrong, enter one woman where get am, you go enter problem be that. You go still carry and go give your girl when it be say staying home. You don't know the time when you take go fight now carry your breaking head come inside house. You go give am where the small pikin just they sleeping. Oh, you go give am. So now waiting I say I can't talk to una today be that. And the most of our men when it be say that they do shencho, they know they use I see all those girls where then they do road work. Una know all this road work place now there that they get and they come too. Now there that they get and they come too. And the Central boys now will come. They go want make the Central boy do and direct with them. They not go want make Central boy get roper inside me use roper. All of them now waiting with they get problem be that so now the problem where would they get to. And all these women wanna see for social media where then they twerk, where then they naked. May you fear them all, fear them all, fear them all. If you don't want fear, you on your own. Most of them they carry them. Most of them carry them because they see say their life don't end. But their life never end. They not really know say their life never end. Now it make it be say you see them so that they do all this nonsense for social media. Now it make you they see that they do nonsense things for social media. They think say their life don't finish. Their life never finish. So men, be careful. Men, be careful. Thank you so much. I come in peace. Thank you so much. Bye.